I've got 3 flowers on this melon plant. I'm going to have to do some research, as I understand you get a male and a female flower. The one inside's going absolutely mad, but no flowers on that one yet. And look at this melon, growing and growing and growing and growing. No flowers on it yet. I think there's some buds coming though. I think I'm going to have to rig some sort of a contraption so that it can grow round and round and round, because it's got no space left. The potatoes are really thriving. Look at these potatoes. Amazing. Just give them a feed, because they've been suffering with all this heat. I've kept them well watered, but we'll give them a feed. Blueberry bush. No ripe blueberries yet there. Got a wild strawberry growing. Flowering now. Look how tall they're growing. Hoverflies pollinating the potato plant. I wonder if you actually get seed. Does anybody know?